This is Artem's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The narrative of AI has shifted. It is no longer a simple horse race to the smartest model. Instead, we are seeing the emergence of a fragmented world order, where the real contest is over. In Shanghai, the rhetoric has changed. Zkmp is now casting open source AI as a global public good. This is not a neutral gesture. By promoting Chinese support for developing nations, Beijing is using openness as a strategic lever to build dependencies. We see this in the hardware and the models. Thinking Machines released Inkling, a massive mixture of experts model with open weights. Meanwhile, Moonshot AI pushed a scale with Kimi K3, a 2.8 trillion parameter giant. Even Prism ML is proving that intelligence density matters more than raw size with their Bonsai 27B model, which can run entirely on a smartphone. It is about making intelligence portable and adaptable. But as intelligence becomes more portable, it also becomes harder to trust. We have reached a point where seeing no longer informs belief. Brian Trunzo from Succinct Labs points out, some image detectors drop to 4% accuracy with simple distortions. The real danger is not just fake content, but autonomous agents acting at scale. Imagine a fleet of commerce agents exploiting pricing. When the damage is done, there is no receipt. This is why we are seeing a move towards zero-knowledge proofs. ZK cryptography allows a system to prove it did exactly what it claimed without revealing the underlying data. We are moving from a world of trust me to a world of prove it. Shall the technical world seeks cryptographic proof, the corporate world is drifting into a collective delusion. Nick Siorash describes this as a psychosis. In Fortune 500 boardrooms, executives are mandating ICATIS. We see engineers, AI washing their work, lying about using LLMs just to satisfy a manager's obsession. Some are even running useless AI loops just to inflate their token usage. It is a bizarre environment where the least sensible recommendations go unchallenged because questioning the AI strategy is seen as heresy. The gap between the 100 times productivity claims, this tension between hype and hard limits extends into the financial plumbing of the internet. Tether is now facing a 2-year countdown to comply with the GENIUS Act, which could push the world's largest stablecoin out of US markets. At the same time, a war is breaking out over the very nature of Bitcoin. Michael Saylor is fighting BIP-110. Saylor argues that once you let humans decide what is spam and what is not, you destroy the network's neutrality. Whether it is stablecoin regulation or Plycan consensus, the fight is the same. It is about whether the systems we rely on remain permissionless or become tools of centralized control. Today's through line is a crisis of trust. From the geopolitical maneuvering in China to the delusions in corporate boardrooms and the regulatory pressure on stablecoins, we are seeing a clash between centralized control and verifiable autonomy. The technical answer is emerging in zero-knowledge proofs and open weights, but the institutional answer is still missing. The real winner in this new world order will not be the one with the biggest model, but the one who can prove their intelligence is both reliable. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.